Yes, come on the next question. Next question is find the area of shaded region if PQ is given to you 24 centimeter, PR is given to you 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Here O is given as center of the circle. Then see PQ is given this QR. Okay, QR is the code. Okay, PQ is this and PQ is given to you what 24 and this base is given to you this. You have to find hypotenuse. We know about the Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to B square plus P square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Let us put and get value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here what? Diameter. With the help of diameter you can get easily radius. Now come on here. H square is equal to B square plus P square. So H will be under root. B is what? 7. So 7 square. P is what? 24. Then 24 square. 7 square is 49. This is 576. Then H will be under root 625. Square root of 625 is what? 25. This is 25 centimeter. Okay. This is your QR is 25. This is your QR. We can say diameter. And what will be radius? 25 upon 2. This is radius. And you have to find shaded area. What will be? This is one part of the circle. This is other part of the circle. If a circle is divided in two parts, one part of this, second part of this. This is your half of the part. RPQ. This is semicircle I can say if I hide this. So what will be the shaded area from this full semicircle if I subtract this area of triangle? What is the name of triangle? Triangle QR या QPR. Triangle PQR if you QPR if you subtract it, then you can get easily. Then shaded area. Shaded area is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle QPR. What is area of semicircle? 1 upon 2 pi r square. Okay. And what is area of triangle QPR? Half base into height. Height we can say perpendicular. Okay. So half 22 upon 7. This is radius is what? 25 upon 2 into 25 upon 2 minus what will come? Half. What is the base? 7. Base is 7. Okay. Height is what? PQ. PQ is 24. Okay. 2 here 11. 11 into 625 upon 28 minus 12. 12 7 ja 84. This is your 84. What will come? 6 and 5 will be here. 5 plus 2 7. 6 plus 2 8 upon 28 minus 84. Okay, if you subtract it, if you divide it, what will get? 245.54 minus 84. Okay, after subtracting, what you will get? You will get 161.54. Unit will be centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, question number 2 is find the area of shaded region if radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively and angle is given to you 40 degree Okay, angle AOC is given to you 40 degree. AOC is given to you 40 degree. Okay, find your, what you have to find? This shaded area. Actually, what is the shaded area? Yes, you see, this is AOC is one sector. If you subtract this sector BOD, then you will get shaded region. The same thing is written here. Area of shaded region is equal to area of outer sector AOC minus area of inner sector BOD, and radii given to you. Outer radii and inner radii is given to you. What is outer radius is given to you, know. Outer radius is what? Here 14 centimeter R1, and inner radius is what? 7 centimeter R2. Let us put here. What is area of sector? Area of sector is what? That is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta upon 360 degree into pi r1 square, and here theta upon 360 degree pi r2 square. Okay, then whatever is common you take it out. Theta upon 360 degree into pi, this is r1 square minus r2 square. Easy. Then put values. This is 40 degree upon 360 degree. This is 22 upon 7. Okay, you can write like 14 square minus 7 square. Then what will come? 40. This is 9. This is 22 upon 9 into 7. This is 196 minus 49. Okay, then what will come? 22 upon 9 into 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus, here is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. This we can simplify by what we can take? By 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. Then 7 7. Here is 22 into 7. 22 into 7 is 154. 154 upon 3. What is the unit? Centimeter square. This is your answer. Next question is, find the area of shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. Two semicircles are there, APD and BPC. So what to do? You have to find the area of shaded region. Okay, 14 centimeter is the side, and what is the radius of the semicircles? See, BPC, in this BPC, BC is what? BC is the diameter of semicircle. Similarly, AD will be the diameter of this semicircle. Total is 14, then 7, this, and 7 is this part. If I draw one perpendicular from there, then diameter is what? 2r, no? The r will be d upon 2. It means 7 and 7 this will be. So radius of the semicircle will be 7 centimeter. Okay, then area of shaded region will be what? Area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. Write down. Area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. Okay, what is area of square? Side square. Area of semicircle 2 into pi r square upon 2. Okay, I can say 1 upon 2 pi r square. Okay, 1 upon 2 pi r square. So pi to pi cut. Side into side means what? 14 into 14. Pi value 22 upon 7. 7 into 7, this is your 196. Okay, 14 into 14, 196. 7 to 7 cut, 22 into 7, 154. Okay, 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 5, 4 centimeter square. This is the answer of it. It's very simple. It is over. The next question is, find the area of shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 16 centimeter at the center. Okay, what is given in the figure, just you see. One circular region is there, and what is there? Our radius is 6 centimeter, R is given to you 6 centimeter. It's very clear, R is 6 centimeter. Has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is given to you. In equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. This angle 60, this 60 and this 60. Okay. OAB or side 12 centimeter. Total side is 12 centimeter. Okay. So 6 is this and 6 will be this. Total is 12. This is 12, 12, 12. And radius is given 6 centimeter. All things are clear. And you have to find out this shaded region. And how to get it shaded region? This is area of circle plus area of triangle. But this part, just you see this sector, because it is coming 2 times, no? When I taking circular part, this part is coming. If I am taking its equilateral triangle part, again it is coming. So I have to remove this sector, area of sector OCD. One time I have to remove. Then what will be shaded area? Shaded area will be area of circle plus area of equilateral triangle plus, we can say, minus what? Area of sector. Area of circle plus area of equilateral triangle minus area of sector. Same thing it is here. Area of circle, area of equilateral triangle minus area of sector. Area of circle pi r square root 3 upon 4 equilateral triangle root 3 upon 4 into side square minus area of sector theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, put values 22 upon 7, r is 6 into 6, root 3 upon 4, r is what? Side is what? Side is 12, 12 into 12 minus theta is what? 60 degree upon 360 degree into 22 upon 7 into r is 6 into 6. Okay, now come on. 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. Okay, now come on, see here. 22 into 36. This will be 792 upon 7. Then plus 36 root 3. 12 3 are 36 root 3. And cut 6 1 are 6, 6 6 are 36. 61 are 60, 66 are 160. Then 6 to 6 cut. This will be 22 into 6, 132 upon 7. I am taking these two, this and this. This is 792 upon 7 minus 132 upon 7 plus 36 root 3. Base LCM is the same, directly you have to subtract it. When you subtract it, this will come 660 minus plus sign plus 36 root 3. This is your answer, centimeter square. You can write here, centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, the next question is, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, coordinate of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. See, 1 centimeter is cut from it, each corner of the square. And also circle of diameter is cut. Diameter it is given to you 2 centimeter. Okay. Diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of remaining portion of the square. Diameter is given to you 2 centimeter. It is also cut from that paper. Okay. You have to, what you have to find the area of remaining part of the square. Okay. What will be the remaining part from square? Two things are cut. One is fourth part of this quadrant and this is one circle. So what is the remaining area? Area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant minus area of circle. What is area of square? Is side square. 4 into area of quadrant, pi r square upon 4. Okay, area of quadrant is pi r square upon 4. And what is area of circle? This is pi r square 4. This is cut. Side square is what? Side. Side is here 4. Then 4 square will come. This is 2 pi r square. Okay, 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 22 upon 7. And what is r? R is 1 into 1. Okay, then 16 minus, this is your 44 upon 7. Take LCM. 16 into 7. 16 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 1. And this is 112. Okay, 16 7 are 112 minus 44. And what will be 12 minus 4? This is 8. This is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6 upon 7 centimeter square. This is your answer.